Let's flash Android to your DEBIX board's eMMC. First, open the DEBIX official website and go to the download page. Under Boot from eMMC, download the system image file. Then, extract the downloaded image file. Open your terminal and run the flashing command. When the screen displays "Wait for USB device," connect your DEBIX board to your computer via the OTG port. Now, flip the dip switches on the board to select USB boot mode. Finally, connect the power supply to the DEBIX board. The flashing process will begin automatically.